chat, play that, bring it back. We the thrill you're talking about.